Hey everybody, I'm back again. It's getting quite long again.
Yeah.
So Theo, please take it off, completely off for the
Yeah.
last time.
And you want to get platinum blonde.
Yeah, or a bit back to blonde.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, a bit sweet.
Sweet!
Yeah.
Oh, orange was also sweet.
Yeah, it was also sweet.
You were a sweet orange.
I'm always sweet.
You're a sweetie. Will you turn so
Yes.
you can see how your hair is grown? And in between, you also had
Yeah.
a haircut because
Yeah,
you went
after
to
the
my
last
shop.
time I went on film, you...
Once did it again
Yeah.
on the shop. So let's start here. Hello friends in YouTube. Maria is back. Now she's here with her daughter. She's also on video. So I make photos of both into the videos at the end. So you can see mother and daughter. Start as always with protection. Do this with a clipper comb and then correct it a bit with the comb and the clipper.
Het is de laatste keer dat ik echt kort ga, hè? Dus het mag wel kort, hè?
Dan zet ik er wel een stukje naar achter. Kijk hoe deze erop wil. Oh, dus een schuiver.
Niet Shirley Hooper kort, dat niet.
Ja, maar deze gaan we niet pakken.
Maar het mag wel Sunito Connor.
Ja, die heb ik al. Dat is deze. Nu. It's 2 on my clipper. Started on the front. Go in opposite lines of the natural fall. And can you feel the heat coming from between the hairs? So that's the nice thing when you have this short hair, you can feel the air flowing over your skin. For those who like to know which length it is, it's 3.5 millimeters. It's 1/10 of an inch or something like that. And she has a beautiful skull to have this hairstyles. But under her name you can see a lot of hairstyles, because she models for a long time for me. And I really love her. As a person, but also as a mother.
Zie je alweer grijze haartjes?
Valt er mee. Kun je horen hoe dik het is?
Ja, het blijft soms hangen.
Ja, dat is echt dik hoor.
Noem je mij nou dik?
Zeker. Dikketje. Even de voorkant erbij. Ik denk, jou durft dat wel. Sorry, ik slaap in de kamer, dat kan zeggen. Take a normal comb in front of the clipper blade. To set up the hairs. Always go in the opposite lines of the hair fall, then you get the best result. Cleaning in between. Het is mooi, zo'n vatertje kapsel, hè? Take a large flat comb. Put my blade totally to the front. Make sure that I have a nice grow back of the hairs. Put my blade to the back. Use it as comb. Put it in the sharpest position and clean the contour line. Don't force on the skin because we still have to bleach the hairs. Go over the rounding of the skull, onto the skull bone. Put my blade again to the back. Follow the opposite lines.
You want me to turn?
Yeah?
Shall I turn?
Yeah, maybe. Bit. Ooh. On the back you can hear she has real thick hair. Yeah. Sometimes my clipper gets stuck. Trekt het een beetje.
Ja.
Ja, komt dat ze dikke haartjes zijn. Hard. Leuk is, want dit kun je helemaal erop zetten eigenlijk. Hè? Dit duurt niet zo lang. Het is maar, wat is het? 10 minuutjes.
Maar is ook niet zo interessant dan?
Jawel, zeker wel. Jij bent het toch? Zelfs mensen die dat leuk vinden om naar te kijken. Put my blade again to the back. Going in opposite lines. Very flat to create a wonderful contour line. Lukt het? So clean this up and then I can make a bleach. Make her bleach with 6%, it's 20 volume. Put extra protection in, so don't irritate the skin. And I take a cold bleach, so don't warm up. Oh, meshes. Take a small clipper, clean the contour line. Get rid of all the small hairs. Get rid of all the small hairs you don't need. Dat is wel een leuk woord.
Harry's.
De woodies. They call the woody hairs. Het is ook wolhaar, hè? Een beetje. Hè? Dat zijn hele kleine, fijne sporen.
Ja, zo bij elkaar geklonterd.
En dan een trui van breien.
Oh.
Een woody hair.
Prikt.
Prikt?
Ja.
Het gevoelig vandaan.
Nee, als je een trui ervan maakt.
Oh,
Prikt.
ik dacht dat het ondeuzen prikte. Clean this up. Dan kan je make a bleach.
Zo ook leuk.
Zeker.
Alleen grijs. Grijs mag niet.
Nee, een mooi kopje man. Je hebt zo'n mooie schedel. Mooie oortjes. Okay, putting on protection, make a bleach on 6% base. Dus a glit bleach, violet bleach, put in a fiery blonde and a protection system. Of course, I put on my protection. Give also plastic foil. Don't need my own protection because the hairs are that short, but I would recommend to put glasses on when you do this short hair bleaching. You have to be aware that it can jump up and get into your eyes. And that really hurts. that hurts much more than you'll ever do. Dat is wel een liedje. Burning sensation of being white. Morgen ga ik mijn eigen haar ook weer doen. Ook weer afscheren en dan kijk
Ja,
wat
nou
de
blond.
rest over blond is. Vind ik leuk. Lijken we op elkaar dadelijk. Become twins.
Blondies.
Yeah, two blondies together.
Two non-blondes. We don't have any hair.
I can sing. Denise, with the eyes of blue. You have green eyes and I have brown eyes. So, in the between. Ons kind wordt ongeduldig.
Is het nog geen 25 minuten?
Nee. Bijna.
Oh, this really is a nice color as well.
This violet.
It's a purple, yeah.
Yeah. It's possible to make it this color.
It would be
You
really
can do it with a
cool.
toner and a conditioner. It's the nice thing of having bleached hair, it adopts all the colors.
Yeah, you can do anything.
Yeah, when you have a crazy mood. Even with red wine it can be soft pink. Or golden with a tea.
A wine shower.
Ja. In de stad zag ik trouwens in de winkel, daar hadden ze een Grace Jones kussen. Dat is ook leuk. Dat vond ik ook een gave vrouw.
Een kussen?
Een kussen
Okay.
met het gezicht van Grace Jones erop.
Oh ja, dat weet
Uit
ik
die
niet
film
meer.
van Strange, I've seen this face before. See it hanging round my door. En daar was zij zo heel hard in. Zo'n hele harde vrouw om te zien. Maar het is super interessant. Grace Jones is echt geweldig. Making sure there's enough on the hairs. And when you see light spots that open up, fill it in because there's still some air between the hairs. Then of course I take a cotton wick, lay it on the surrounding hairs, but not before I put an extra bit bleach on, because the cotton wick takes also a bit of the bleach. Swallow it. And this I do to protect the skin for the plastic foil, because beneath the plastic foil it can heat up. Close this and don't go away. We'll show you in a second what it became. Back. So. Okay, back from bleaching after I think 25 minutes to rinse it out. So don't need to do much, put a little bit protection on. Oh, dat moet genoeg zijn.
So, that was it.
Yeah, that was it.
Thank you for
I'm gonna
watching.
blow dry this, gonna use a large brush. No, I just use my fingers to feel where the hair is still a bit wet, because even short hair can be wet and is wet. And on Maria, I'm gonna blow dry oil into her hair. So get a much nursing effect. So now it's dry of water. So I take my beautiful Lanza golden oil. Nurses also the skin. Take out the dry parts of bleaching on the contour lines. And now I cannot touch her by taking her by the hairs. It's too short.
I am safe.
Yeah, safe for the hairdresser. This adds a lot of glow to the hairs, but also what I told you, a lot of nursing. And so far, oil treatment. Now, take off the cape. Contour is already clean. Take off the towel. We see each other in the next video. Maria turns around and she will certainly be back.
You think?
Yes, I think. Very nice. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Hey everybody, I'm back again. It's getting quite long again.
Yeah.
So Theo, please take it off, completely off for the
Yeah.
last time.
And you want to get platinum blonde.
Yeah, or a bit back to blonde.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, a bit sweet.
Sweet!
Yeah.
Oh, orange was also sweet.
Yeah, it was also sweet.
You were a sweet orange.
I'm always sweet.
You're a sweetie. Will you turn so you can
Yes.
see how your hair is grown? And in between, you also have had
Yeah.
a haircut because
Yeah,
you went
after
to
the
my
last
shop.
time I went on film,
Yeah.
you...
Once did it again
Yeah.
on the shop. So let's start here.